In today's globalizing society, where the youth of each country are exposed to a diverse variety of cultures and languages, some or most youths tend to prioritize different foreign languages rather than their own mother tongues. Youth have a huge role in the poll, and with that, sometimes youth are more immersed in social and want to be on the trend as always, leading to neglecting their language. Nonetheless, the importance of our own mother tongue cannot be overstated, since it's not only just crucial for communicating, but also for persevering cultural identity, historical, and the legacy. The poem explores with the profound relationship between the language and freedom, which emphasizes how a country's sense of identity can be defined and its citizens' love and devotion to their own mother tongue. Even though people have different perspectives, opinions, and situations regarding with the matter, however, from the day we learn how to speak is also the start of not forgetting our own native language in our hearts. At the end of the day, language is what connects to one another to be able to understand and communicate each other.
In the poem seems to reflect the importance of a country's linguistic identity by expressing certain aspects of how one's native mother tongue can be a guide through liberty and prosperity. Language is a way how people live and work together to function as a whole. Language creates a system of multi-person that directs society's overall operations and guides society to function to maintain order. Similar to a judge and a referee, to which they establish limits as mentioned in the poem. Language brings unity to many individuals, considering communication, cooperation, and the way of preserving the history of the people. Language is the origin of one's nation, and every cultural and traditional way that has been created is connected, and this is like a triple branch that connects every part of a nation's identity, which it is reminded of through documentation and the history it left behind.
Language enables the documentation of a group's history, culture, religion, folklore, and other customs, practices, and ceremonies. It is closely related to a nation or ethnic group's culture, customs, literature, art, and etc. The right to speak one's native language is critical to the preservation of the cultural heritage and personal identity. In the past, language prejudice and language imperialism, whereby a superior culture forces a subordinate culture to accept and adopt the superior language, have been used as tools of the subjugation of indigenous or minority populations. The defense and preservation of languages as resistance may be understood as a form of struggle against oppression.
Today's youth show confidence and interest in their mother tongue by using it in conversations, social media, music, poetry, and stories. Integrating their language into these areas help keep it alive and strong. They also participate in cultural activities, promote literature in their native language, and learn traditional writing systems. Their interest goes beyond just speaking. They seek to understand the history and evolution of their language. This dedication helps preserve their cultural identity and ensures the language will continue to thrive for future generations.
Today's young generation is at the leading edge of change and innovation, championing the adoption of emerging technologies and steering social and cultural transformations. Their confidence is evident in school organizations, digital platforms, activism, and social awareness. A trend has emerged where they take pride in using deep Filipino words and dialects, reflecting a renewed connection to their heritage. They incorporate their mother tongue in naming the school organization's new tenure and events, creating music with unique and meaningful stories, and engaging in social media, trends, and challenges. This use of their native language allows them to express their identity with confidence. Through this, they also positively influence others and promote cultural pride.
So, with this in mind, a question arises: do the youth still value their native language? Absolutely. While the connection between young people and their native language faces certain challenges, many still deeply cherish the language they grew up with. While English and other dominant language are often prioritized for education and career opportunities, young people continue to use their mother tongue in cultural, familial, and community settings. This connection to heritage is often expressed during traditional celebrations or through creative outlets like music, social media content in their native language. Although the influence of global language is strong, there's still a growing movement among the youth to preserve and promote their local languages, recognizing the importance of maintaining their cultural identity. While the way they engage with their native tongue may evolve, the value placed on it remains significant.
To review, in today's globalized world, the major interest among the younger generation today is the use of foreign languages and trends of the expense of their ethnic languages. However, our mother tongue is crucial for maintaining cultural identity, history, and a sense of belonging. The essay highlights that while global languages dominate, there is a strong movement among youth to keep their native languages alive through conversations, social media, and cultural activities.
They use their languages in creative ways and apply new methods to deal with their languages as a way of sustaining their past and strengthening inter-ethnic ties. Despite the challenges, this dedication shows a positive trend toward valuing and promoting their native languages, ensuring they remain an important part of their identity.
So that concludes our group discussion on the importance of the mother tongue. We hope that this highlighted the ongoing value young Filipino place on their native language, even as they navigate the growing influence of global languages. Thank you for your attention.